What websites or services offer online retrieval of old job W-2 forms?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to talk about something that can be a bit tricky but is incredibly important: how to retrieve your old W-2 forms online. This is especially useful if you've misplaced your forms or simply need to access past information for filing taxes, background checks, or for personal records. Here's the good news. There are several websites and services that make this task relatively easy. So, let's dive in.
Can I retrieve my W-2 form online?
Yes, you can retrieve your W-2 forms online through various services. Former employers, the Social Security Administration, SSA, and tax preparation services are some of the primary sources to do so. Always remember to handle this sensitive information with care.
How to retrieve W-2 forms from former employers?
The first and most direct way is to reach out to your former employers. Many companies use online payroll service providers like ADP, Paychex, or Intuit, which allow employees to log in and download their W-2 forms directly. Remember, employers are required by law to keep this information for a certain period, typically 4 years.
How to retrieve W-2 forms from the Social Security Administration?
Another way to get your old W-2 is through the Social Security Administration, SSA. The SSA keeps records of your earnings for Social Security purposes, and they can provide copies of your W-2s for any year from 1978 onwards. There might be a fee involved, especially if you need it for non-Social Security purposes.
How to retrieve W-2 forms from tax preparation services?
If you used a tax preparation service in the past, like TurboTax or H&R Block, these services often store copies of your W-2 forms. You would simply need to log into your account on their platform to access and download your forms. In conclusion, retrieving your old W-2 forms online is a process that requires some patience but can be done through a variety of methods. Whether it's through your former employer, the Social Security Administration, or a tax preparation service, these avenues can provide you the information you need. Remember to always keep your personal information safe when accessing these services. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and thank you for watching.